I want to personally invite all business owners and facility managers to the 2025 Facilities and Maintenance Expo powered by 7 Seer Supply, located at In Sports Rec Center in Washington, Missouri, February 4th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Giveaways start shortly after we open. There will be free lunch and a chance to win a brand new 50-inch flat screen TV. You must be associated with the business or involved in some type of facilities decision making at your workplace. We have some of the best vendors offering free dispenser programs, including towel, tissue, chemicals, hand soap. Tasky will present robotic floor equipment, absolute game changer in the cleaning industry. You must come see these machines. Schools, please pay attention. We will be giving away free floor finish for hallways and a complete gym floor refinish. Someone from your facility must attend the expo to sign up. Free Mizzou basketball Tiger tickets from Airmaster, who specializes in odor control. Pallet wrap deals, packaging supplies, vendor management, the list goes on. I'm here to promise you that the 2025 Facilities and Maintenance Expo is going to have everything you need for your workplace to get you up to date and running efficiently. These are programs that you can count on. February 4th, please just take a few hours of your time to explore the 2025 Facilities and Maintenance Expo at In Sports Rec Center located in Washington, Missouri, starting at 10 a.m. I can promise you won't regret it.